Hi, welcome to another amazing video of Versatile Knowledge. If you have just stumbled across my channel, consider subscribing as we have some amazing content on our channel. Let's get started. The term information means facts provided about something or someone. The term correctness means the quality of a piece of information from being error-free or wrong. In the early 1900s, people used to get news or information via mediums like newspaper. Then radio broadcasting became popular. Later came the television and then the internet. Today, as of 2019, people get to know about anybody or anything within a fraction of a second on the internet. Google is the world's largest search engine which provides answers to almost everything that you ask. But have you ever thought some information that you find over the internet are often wrong, misinterpreted, misstated, or even assumed? As per a survey and an article on the New York Times, more than 40% of the articles or information about the topic that you search over the internet is false. Consume huge amounts of data online on a daily basis. On an average, a normal smartphone user consumes around 1 gigabyte of data on a daily basis in the world. So how much of that information consumed online is true or sustainable? We get hundreds of fake news, misinterpreted information, useless messages or fake forwards on our WhatsApp groups on a daily basis as well. For example, I stumbled across 100 plus channels and websites on the internet just to research for this video from the last 24 hours. I spent over 20 gigabytes of my Wi-Fi data to just read, watch and hear all those stupid articles and videos present over the internet. Here's a brief shot of all the fake things that was present on the internet. Let's take a look at it. There are videos with over 1 million views each which does nothing. There are fake videos on things like 300-foot snake, videos like bear attacking a cycling man, 1,000-meter tsunami, fake destruction videos, fake celebrity videos, attractive thumbnails with absolutely no information in it, videos where there is no conclusive proof of information, videos which are assumptions with no proof from trusted sources, videos which are meant for entertainment purposes but are absolute waste of time for the viewers. There are even videos where a person is talking about some nonsense controversy happening in the world. There are videos with celebrity fights or some celebrity drunk scenes, videos on celebrity death hoax, etc. But here is the most hilarious example of all. There are over 100 plus videos on the YouTube claiming that the small girl present on the packet of Parle-G glucose biscuit is Sudha Murthy. I mean, how stupid of those 1 million people who go and watch those kinds of videos. I have pity on the part of the viewers, but what is wrong with the people who upload those kinds of nonsense things on YouTube? The Parle-G girl is neither Sudha Murthy nor any other person living or dead. It is confirmed by the Parle Group product manager Mayank Shah that it is just an illustration or drawing made for creative purposes in the 1960s by a person named Maganlal Daya for Everest Creatives. You can check out the link from Wikipedia to just get to know the proof of this information. So guys, this was just a snapshot of what's the truth and what's fake. But there are still millions of wrong information, fake news, wrong data, deep fake information and false interpretation of actual facts present on the internet. I urge all the viewers and readers to be a bit more wise and consume right piece of information or videos from the internet. The right piece of information is often available from a set of trusted video makers and websites. So make sure you don't get distracted from your original search by getting attracted to some nonsense thumbnails on YouTube or some stupid articles on the web. So if you guys have liked this video, please subscribe to us and check out our previous videos as we have done more than 120 plus videos on YouTube. Hit that like button and share this video with your people and educate people in consuming only right piece of information, and let us all together say no to fake information. Let us all say no to fake forwards and useless information present on the internet. Let us all make this internet a clean place. Thank you guys.